Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching Blogger, connecting your Google account, and verifying email so monetization options unlock. Once done, pick a focused niche to attract readers quickly and write a content plan with 5 high-value post ideas. Then create your first post. Write a clear headline, 701, 200 words, and include images with alt text for SEO. Make sure to set labels and a featured image. Publish immediately and enable sharing, so you get initial traffic and feedback fast. Once your first posts exist, optimize site structure and content so search engines and readers stick. You should install a responsive template and add meta titles, descriptions, and open graph tags for social sharing. Then connect AdSense and insert affiliate links where relevant. Add an email sign-up form to capture visitors. Make sure to use internal links and clear categories, follow a weekly posting schedule, and track performance so you grow traffic and revenue predictably over time. To finish the setup and scale income, analyze analytics to find posts with the best CTR and engagement. Then create 2-3 similar articles to expand authority. Once steady traffic arrives, diversify with sponsored posts, sell digital products, and add membership tiers for recurring revenue. If things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Check Search Console for crawl errors, test mobile load times, and confirm your AdSense/ad placements meet policy. If organic traffic stalls, update old posts and promote them again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.